Today we're going to learn about the revenue recognition concept in accounting. In order to understand this concept better, we're going to break the term and go through revenue and recognition separately. First, let's understand the term revenue. So, revenue is the gross inflow of income arising out of business operations of an enterprise. I'll simplify it further. Any money derived from a sale of goods, service, asset, etc. is termed as revenue. It is a gross income of an entity from which costs are subtracted to derive the net income from the business operations. For example, if your company is in the business of selling shoes, during the month of January 2020, you made a sales of rupees 1 lakh. The amount of money your business earns from selling those shoes is termed as revenue. In order to calculate your profits, you will subtract the costs from the revenue. Therefore, rupees 1 lakh is your revenue. Now, let's jump into recognition of revenue. Recognition of revenue in simple terms means the time at which the revenue is supposed to be recorded in the books of accounts. Let's continue the previous example to understand the revenue recognition concept. Since we are talking about the sales made in the month of January 2020, there were some customers who have not yet paid the entire amount for their purchase. Mr. X, for example, has not yet made the entire payment of an amount of rupees 10,000 because you have given him a period of 30 days to make the payment. This transaction took place on 15th of January 2020 and the payment of Mr. X came through on 10th of February 2020. Now, the question arises, when should you record the transaction of Mr. X in your books of accounts? Should it be 15th of January when the transaction took place, or should it be 10th of February when the actual payment was received? The answer is 15th of January because of the revenue recognition concept. This concept dictates that an income is identified and recorded in the books of accounts on the day the right to receive arises and not when the money is actually received. In our case, it was 15th of Jan and not 10th of Feb when the right to receive the income arises. And that's the revenue recognition concept.